Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Hami Akhtar and in this video I am going to tell you one tip that we use to start our optimization process with any advertising client that we get. So a lot of you guys ask me that I am running my campaigns for a long time. It's been 30 days, 40 days, 60 days and I don't know how to optimize this. I can see there are a lot of campaigns which are giving impressions, no clicks. There are campaigns which have given a lot of clicks but no sales. There are campaigns which have given a lot of ACOS but less sales. And they also ask me there are campaigns which are very profitable. What to do with all of this? How to get most results out of it? So let me tell you one thing that you can do right now. So the first step that you need to do is 80-20 principle. This is the same principle from the book as well. And in this, what we do is we just look at all the keywords. You can even go to the targeting. We first go to the targeting. Also, if a campaign has multiple products inside it, we also go and select only that product that have given more than 2 sales. Only keep that targeting on which has given you more than 2 sales, and also only keep that product on in the ads that have given more than 2 sales. Pause all the rest. Pause everything that you have that haven't yielded any results. Now what this will do, you will see a drastic decrease in sales in the first 2 days. Why 2 days? Because this 2 days we are only deducting all those and cutting down all those that haven't give us good results. We are just draining money. What should be your second step? Now the second step that we start launching new campaigns. If you are into Amazon, you know Amazon loves new campaigns. When you create new ads campaigns, once a product gets new clicks, new sessions, Amazon just loves them. So our next focus will be to create more campaigns. Now this campaigns that we are going to create exact match campaigns, phrase match campaigns, and then after a week of creating that, at the same time, once we are creating exact and phrase match, at the same time we are creating automatic campaigns. We have to create 12 automatic campaigns. How will you create 12 automatic campaigns? So in automatic campaigns, once you go, you will see there's a targeting options. In the targeting, it shows close match, loose match, substitute, complements. So you have to make sure the first campaign that you are running for automatic campaign, out of the 12, only the close match is turned on. All the 3 that are in the targeting, that shows to you in the targeting options, should be paused. Just uncheck those. And that is how you create a close match campaign. Now in close match campaign, put the bid of that targeting only 1 rupees. Go in the back on the campaign settings, change the placement stats of the top of the search. There will be written top of the search in the campaign settings. Make it 400%, and below that there will be product page placement stats. Make it 0%. What it will do is it will focus that campaign particularly for top of the search targetings. Now if you are confused that it will be hard to create all those campaigns in a campaign dashboard, creating all those, and you can use bulk sheets. The second one, close match, will be for product page. Same way you have to do, but in the campaign settings you have to make sure the top of the search is 0% and the product page is 400%. Same you have to do for the rest of the campaigns of the targeting, rest of the targeting. So now if you go and calculate, there will be total 8 campaigns. Then the remaining 4 campaigns will be rest of the search campaigns. It is hard to manipulate that, but we have seen good results out of it. Now if you are confused that how will you create automatic campaign broken into rest of the search, top of the search, then I'll just share a template with you, just going in my computer, and then you can just go and copy that, change the SKU. I'll show you what you have to do, and the campaigns will be done for you. You don't have to do anything. Next, after a week, you need to run broad match campaigns. This is how you have to do it. Let me just go after. Let me just go to my computer and show you exactly how to create automatic campaigns in bulk sheets and upload that. I'll give you a ready-made template for you. You can just take it and upload on your dashboard. Then you will get the exact campaigns copied on your dashboard. So let's jump into my screen and show you the exact thing.
So after you download this, I'll share the link of the sheet in the description. After you get this, make sure you click on files, then go and click make a copy. Otherwise, you will not be able to edit this file. Make a copy, then the file will be editable by you. Then this type of thing will be appearing in front of you. So this is a normal template that you need to upload in Amazon's bulk operation portal. So you have to come to this sponsored products campaigns. You have to come to this sponsored products campaign tab because this is a sponsored product campaign, right? Then you will see there are a lot of things written here. Record ID, record type, campaign, then campaign, daily budget, portfolio ID, campaign, start date, campaign, end date, campaign type, ad group, a lot of things which you do not have to take care of. What I want to show you is this campaign means campaign names. Okay, let me just tell you. So this is one campaign. This is one campaign. This is the first campaign. This is second campaign. Starts from campaign, ends in product targeting. This is a complete campaign. So in order to represent campaign creation in Google Sheet or any Excel, this so many tabs has to be there. Then it will reflect as a campaign in Amazon dashboard. So this is the first campaign. The campaign name is AT, that stands for automatic. Automatic, then PN. PN is for you. That means product name. PN stands for product name. Whatever your product name will be, you need to come to this tab, click on edit, find and replace, click on right here PN. That means it will go and find PN and replace with your product name. Suppose your product is a bottle. Write it bottle, then it will replace all product name by bottles. Okay. Then this PP stands for product page, and this CL stands for close match. So by the name itself, you can tell this is an automatic campaign for the product name, whatever will be. It is a product page campaign. That means you have changed the campaign placement stats. I will show you. Then it is for close match targeting. If we just look back here we have all the targeting. Here we'll have all the target: close match, loose match, complement, substitute. For this one, the close match is enabled, but the loose match, complement, substitute are paused. And if you go to this campaign placements, you will see the product page placement is made 300%, but the top of the search is made 0%. Okay. If you want to change this 300% to 400%, simply come to here and change it. This is a campaign budget. You can make the budget whatever you want. Make sure this date, you can change the dates as well of today. You can change it to today. Okay. So you can just come and click on this, then edit, find, replace, make it what it is there. 12, 20, 21, change it to today's date is 04/01/2022. Now all dates have been replaced. You can see that, right? So what you have to do, you have to just come to this, edit, change the product page names, product name to your product name, and change here. This is the SKU. Let me just tell you what tabs you need to make some changes. This is a tab where you have to change something. Okay. Let's make it a little bit colorful so that it will be easier for you. Here you have to make some changes. Then the next thing you have to do is you have to change the SKU. For SKU also, you have to just come here, whatever it is written here, copy this up, then put your SKU here. Okay, put your SKU, find and replace, find this one. This was my previous SKU that I used. Write your SKU there. Whatever your SKU will be, Just go and replace it there. Okay, make sure it is as it is. It should be SKU. Sometimes what people do is they go and edit and this part remains what they do, and they forgot to change all this. So this is our campaign for close match product page. This is a campaign for product page loose match. LM stands for loose match. This is for top of the search loose match campaign. This is top of the search complement campaign. This is product page complementary campaign. This is substitute campaign for product page automatic. This is product page top of the search substitute. Now I haven't shown you rest of the search because we are still working on it. So once we get a good data on it, we can share that. So what you have to do, you have to just come, copy this file, change the SKU and the product name and upload it. If you want to change the budget, trust me, it is not required. We work this with this budget. And if it is required, then only change. Otherwise, you don't have to change. Now you may ask that, okay, I have uploaded this campaign. It's been 2 days. I'm not getting any impressions. What should I do? Just take this sheet again, come to this sheet, make changes here, make this 300% to 400% or 500%, then again re-upload this same sheet there. The bids will be changed, the placements will automatically get changed. The campaign that you have running will automatically get updated. Okay, so you can find the link to this sheet below.
Now I'm conducting a 10 weeks advanced advertising machine coaching. From 22nd of January, it is going to be a 10 weeks intensive training where we will be doing live trainings on Saturdays and Sundays. It will be completely on advanced Amazon advertising for advanced sellers. You can check out more details here.
So for those who wants to get hold of all Amazon advertising strategy that we haven't covered, for those who wants an advanced level advertising course for existing sellers, okay. And so this training, we call it advanced advertising machines course. Now this is going to be a live training. So this live training has specific dates that is going to be happen. So advanced advertising machines program, this is only for advanced sellers. Okay, we are going to cover all advanced strategies into it. And maximum of it will be focused on internal traffic, not outside traffic. Okay, all advanced strategies that we use to reduce ACoS or increase the sales and increase the sales. Then the next thing we are going to cover is review autopilot, advanced strategies to get reviews on demand. Okay, I have done a recent YouTube video on sharing some of the strategies we use for reviews, but in the ManyChat, as I have said, there are a lot of issues. Okay, so we have moved to ManyChat. We still use ManyChat a lot, but we use some other methods to get reviews as well. And we are also going to cover some advanced product launch strategies in that training as well. We are again going to cover this and also going to break it down. And again, we are going to cover a lot of internal methods, which will require PPC a lot, not outside traffic like Google Ads, Facebook ads. Advanced variation launch strategies. Okay, now these are some strategies we don't share a lot because we feel the value that like it is a little bit expensive to share, because if everyone tries to use this, then after all the value of this method will lose, right? So we don't share these strategies a lot. Advanced relaunch strategies for SKU that went out of stock. These are some strategies we are going to do. Okay, then advanced search find by techniques that Amazon can never detect that you are doing. Advanced keyword ranking strategies to rank on first page using URL and add to cart methods. Add to cart method, we haven't shared that. That also we do, but we limit that very less. Okay, because the limitation for those are very high and the risks are very high. So we have to limit that. Advanced campaign structure and ranking strategies for variations. If you have a lot of SKUs, you know how to maintain those, or you don't know. I don't know about it. But when we get a client in our advertising agency, we ask them how many SKUs that they have. And some of them tell they are doing 5 lakhs a month and they have 3,000 SKUs. Trust me, is it worth having 3,000 SKU and doing 5 lakhs? Well, we have products who does 6 lakhs a month in revenue with just one product. How fair it is. Once you know how to differentiate your product, once you know how to create the right bundle, how to create the right main image, how to create the first reviews, how to push the negative reviews to the back of the page, then trust me, those revenue are nothing. Okay, now there is a thing, revenue and profit varies a lot. We have seen sellers who have got 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs in revenue with just 2, 3 products. But when they see their return ratio is going above 5, 6%, trust me, when we ask them to recheck their margins, they say we are in negative. That is a common thing that happens with the Indian marketplace. If you don't know how to calculate your return rate, and if you're not maintaining a good product, you are going to be at a loss for sure. Okay. Advanced strategies for dominating any upcoming sales. Sales strategies differ from normal strategies a lot, because you have to work on your budgets, you have to work on the bids, you have to work on new keywords that will have more sales oriented traffic. Now, what I'm going to share with you, okay, advanced advertising machine program, but this program is not going to be a recorded one. You are not going to get any login details, nothing. Okay, it is going to be live. The training will start from 22nd of January 2022. Okay, 22nd of January, it is almost 1 month from now, and that training is going to start on 22nd January. Now, for some of you who were in my first training, first one-to-one mentorship, that we took only 10 people into it, that was kind of similar. Okay, and we had 90% success rate from that training, because that was live and we had got such a great experience from it. It is going to be a 5-week intensive training. Okay, so with 2 live trainings every week, Saturday and Sunday. So 5 weeks, there will be total 10 sessions. One session will be on Saturday, one session will be Sunday, because those 2 dates everyone will be available. We are not doing in weekdays. So for 5 weeks, we are going to conduct this training. Each training will be on Saturday, each training will be on Sunday. Okay. You will be a participant in the Zoom session to ask question, or will be in between trainings. Now, recording for the whole 5-week program will be available for the participants. You will get a separate login details after the training is finished to access the videos whenever you feel. Okay. And seats will be very limited to only 30 people. Okay, there will have a limitation to only 30 people, because we want only those people who are actually interested in scaling their business instead of any spammers. Okay, so the advanced training, the total fees of the training will be 16,999. But okay, but I have a special offer for you for this training only. You can pay 999 rupees and book your seat right now. You can pay 999 and book your seat right now. If you book your seat, you will get a flat discount of 11,000. Then you pay the remaining 5,000 on 20th of Jan. Okay, remaining 5,000 will be paid off 20th of Jan. We will add you to a WhatsApp group. We'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Then all the communication will be done on that group. So the total fees of this training will be 5,999. You pay 999 now, book your seat. You have to book one seat out of the 30. Few seats are already filled. Then the remaining 5,000 you have to pay once the course starts. You have to pay on 20th. Our course will start. Our training will start on 22nd. Okay. To join the advanced training, I'll just share the link. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for this training. Okay, I'll end this session here, and thank you everyone for joining. Okay, bye everyone. Take care.